Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. Guys, I'm gonna show you 3 ways how you can make 6 figure income, guys. 6 figures. Okay, let's go with number one, guys, with the conversion pros. How you can make 6 figures. The first thing is learn how to build capture pages and sell pages with the conversion pros. We have master affiliate classes on how to make cool landing pages and funnels for the conversion pros. So these some of our templates that we have. We got a lot more. Uh, Plus, you get an unlimited autoresponder included. Now, once you watch this video, just click here to get started. Get your 14 days free, no credit card required. But if you want to learn more, click on this button right here, continue, and you'll go to this. Now, this is an app we have for the conversion pros. Now, the cool thing about this app, guys, is when you make cool funnels, especially capture pages, you know what capture page people like the most, and then you will get more traffic to that capture page. So you can track all your capture pages with this app we have on the mobile, guys. Add a bonus, we have the drag and drop tool also, guys. Now, you want to get started, click here. And then if you want to continue and learn about the fresh leads, is right here, guys. Why spend money on clicks and you can get all the leads in our back office? You buy 50 a week, you get the phone number, the name, the email address. So now you have 2 ways to contact the people. You can call these people that's looking for a business, guys, and you can email them because they be on your autoresponder, automatic, guys. So you got 2 ways to work your leads, okay? And plus, add a bonus, learn affiliate marketing training in the back office with the conversion pros. Click here to get started, guys. Learn the conversion pros compensation plan. Now, last, guys, I want to talk about is this what I'm talking about, how you can make 6 figures every year, passive income, guys. $10,000 per month. Now, you work these leads that I just showed you with the conversion pros. Get 400 people, guys. That's $10,000 per month. That's $120,000 per year. Let me repeat that. 400 people, guys. That's $10,000 per month. Now, I just showed you with the conversion pro system with the leads, the fresh leads right here. But there's many other ways to get 400 people. But if you call your leads, you help your leads out, you email your leads, that 400 people shouldn't be no problem, guys. And that's your mission, is to get 400 people this year. Even if it takes 2 years, guys, to get 400 people. Would that be worth $10,000 per month? Would that be able you to quit your job? Right there, guys. What if you get 100 people? That's $2,500 per month, guys. 50 people. That's $1,250 per month. That definitely pay your mortgage. $2,500 per month will definitely pay your mortgage and your car note, the insurance, and everything, with probably your food also, guys. So just think about your goal should be 400 people. That's $10,000 per month. Now, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this page first. Just click on continue, and you can watch this video right here, guys. And then if you want to learn more, I just showed you, you'll go to the app right here, guys. Continue, learn more about how our lead system works. And then last page, guys, just watch this video and join. Click on the join button. Like I said, it's 14-day free trial. No obligation, no credit card required. All right, guys, once again, it's Adrian, and I will see you on the other side.